Welcome. At Vars Boffin and Gloviant Global, we are dedicated to bridging the gaps in international business. Our expertise in cross-border advisory ensures your business moves seamlessly across international lines with confidence and clarity. Navigating new markets can be complex. We provide the strategic roadmap you need for a successful entry into emerging economies. We also focus on capability building, empowering your team with the skills and structures required for sustainable global growth. From North America to India, the UAE, and the Gulf, our global footprint is your local advantage. Our advisors bring decades of experience to help you navigate the nuances of diverse regulatory and cultural landscapes. We don't just advise, we partner with you to turn global challenges into scalable opportunities. With a deep understanding of global dynamics, we unlock potential in the world's most vibrant trade corridors. Built on excellence and integrity, our mission is to create a lasting impact for every client we serve. Visit us at www.varsboffin.com to start your global journey today. Vars Boffin and Gloviant Global, your bridge to the world.